Hi, this is Pearl Sanchez, and today we're going to talk about cross-sectional anatomy. We're going to specifically talk about or surface anatomy specifically. So I'm going to bring my model, my husband, turn back. And so I'm going to just point out 5 external structures. Let me just put this right here. Okay, so we have the deltoid here, trapezius here, and then if you'll turn around, so the clavicle, rectus abdominis, and umbilicus. Thank you. You may leave. So now the clavicle, it's okay, go ahead. The clavicle, deltoid, and this one. The body systems, that's the clavicle, the deltoid, and the, what was it I did? Clavicle, deltoid. Trapezius are in is the thorax body system, and then so the other body system, and then the umbilicus and the rectus abdominis is in the abdomen body system. So the importance of surface anatomy, if you when it comes to it, even though we know all the internal structure, even though we can know all of the organ locations and the names, etc., the reality is skin is covering it all. So if we can identify and know certain things about the body based off that surface level structure, and we can identify and locate where particular structures within the body are. For example, with surgery, they have to mark on the body prior to any sort of incision. So we want to make sure we use surface anatomy to accurately do those markings so that we're not just cutting into people and making a mess. So clinical applications. So 2 of them would be with the clavicle. That sometimes is referred to as the collarbone. That is a fracture of the collarbone or clavicle is one of the most common, and a way to do that is simply by falling on your shoulder, for example. The other application I wanted to talk about is in reference to the umbilicus, and of course that is the connection point for the umbilical cord, and at birth that umbilical cord is cut. Portion, a little stub of it does remain, but it eventually dries off and falls off within the first week or 2 after birth. So I think I covered that completely, and that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.